Okay, boys and girls, we are going to use a new tool. This is called screencastomatic. After you have signed into your Google Classroom, I have attached the link for you. You will find it below this video in our classroom. What you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to sign up, and you're going to sign up with your Google account. Your screen's going to look a little bit different than mine because you haven't ever created any videos before. As you can see, I have created a few videos, and that's why they are showing up on my uploads. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to start your recorder over whatever you want to record. Now, I'm currently using Screencast-O-Matic on another tab, but I'm recording it so you can see what you would have to do. Once you're ready to record, you're going to have a black and white box that you can make bigger or smaller depending on what you want to record. Right now, mine is a pretty big screen. Now, I have pulled up my Google slides that I will be showing you later on what our project is really about. But first, you really need to understand what a screencast-o-matic is. So it allows me to show you different things on my screen, and you have a voiceover, and that's me talking through this presentation. So when you're finally finished, at the bottom of your screen, there will be a little pause button, and you can pause it throughout. That's why you've probably heard my voice kind of stop and start in different spots, and you've maybe heard the clicking. That's where I've started the video and stopped the video. When you're completely finished with the video, what you do is you click the pause button and then you hit the done button. And after that is done, you will no longer be recording.